fi run and dirty now go burn up if I do that. The pot come out shine. So after me go shop and sit and come and come back and go share too. No. Somebody share my food, please. Because me walk away up the sand of fear and shift bag between and to Annie bag. Every and now enough me after me go.
Wassy, no people in Wassy.
After me go, me hand tired, me hand them tired.
Yeah, so the Wassy Jamaican white girl, the people, wanna be asked about, I say how she talks so. She talk the sweetest Jamaican language more than any one of us. So come give a look at your language. I mean, people know your features.
My language is Patois and English. That is my first language.
The people them always ask if you were Jamaican born.
I was born in Jamaica. I was raised here. I went to school here.
People can understand. Tell the people
yes.
them so where you born and grew.
I born and grew up Portland. I was raised here. I go to school here. Everything. I travel. Yes. My parents German, so I am bilingual, right?
Yes.
Yes, so I can speak German as well. Ich kann auch Deutsch reden, wie die Melodie, weil sie ist auch Deutsch.
What?
So yes, I can speak. I can chicken on pato, don't do that. Yes. And I can also speak standard English. I can speak very good English. So yeah.
What else can you do?
Everything.
Everything else.
What I know. Can climb tree or far. Yo, where do we go? Yo, where do we go up to? I'm a apple tree, Miss Yara. Who you put on top of apple tree? I saw the backside in a go.
You see her fine? You see she fine?